In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Awakening in C's Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Your Awakening bar is acquired when you attack other enemies. So as you can see, your Awakened form can be used when you fill out this purple bar below your health. So you can get Awakened progress by simply attacking other opponents. You can do M1s like this, and as you can see, it is filling slowly, so it's now 78. And if I do another move, it's going to go to 79, 80, and so on. So basically, you just have to be doing damage. You can also use your abilities. So right now it is 82, and after I do a bunch of damage, it went up to 87, and so on. So all that you have to do to answer the question in the title of this video is to attack other opponents or dummies. Of course, I'm attacking a dummy because I am on a private server, but you can absolutely do this against other players. And when you fill out this bar, you can press the appropriate button to awaken. If you are on mobile, you will either have to tap this bar or press a different button. But on PC, you just have to press G, and you will see this crazy animation play out. So right now I'm playing as Luffy, and I'll have access to the Gear 5 moveset. Of course, you can also play as the other characters, and you will also have access to different moves. So you can start using these moves now. Kaminari, Gigant, Fukuro, and you will be able to do a lot of damage to the enemies. Now this bar is going to be drained slowly, and you can also use Badger and Gun as you can see on the left, but you have to do it quickly because the Awakened form cannot go away before you use it. So just damage other opponents until you get the move, and you will be able to use it. And this is all you have to do to get your Awakening. It is going to work as every single character available in the game, so you just have to attack other opponents and use your abilities until you fill out the Awakening bar at the bottom, and then you will be able to go into your Awakened form. You will be able to press G to use Badger and Gun, and your ultimate is going to be used with a crazy animation as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Awakening in C's Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.